Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Pusheen Snowglobe. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the snow globe with a large circle. And now let's draw another circle inside to add the inside layer of the glass. Next, at the bottom, let's draw the base of the snow globe. Let's start with 2 angled lines down. And then let's connect them at the bottom with the curve. And that's it for the shape of the snow globe. Let's move inside and add the details next. Okay, let's first start off by drawing Pusheen inside on the bottom right. Let's draw an oval here for the bottom of the hat. Then a curve on top. And then a circle at the top for the pom-pom. Next, on both sides, let's draw a point up and down for the ears. Next, let's add the face. Underneath the hat, let's draw 3 U-shaped curves. Next, let's move down and draw the mouth with 2 curves. And then black circles for the eyes. Next, let's add 2 curved lines on either side for the whiskers. Next, let's move down and draw the scarf. On the left side, let's draw a curve down, then 2 curves in, stopping here. Now let's draw the part of the scarf going down with a rectangle shape like this. And then add 3 bumps at the bottom. Now let's close off the right side of the scarf like this. Now let's move down and draw the rest of the body. From the left side, let's draw a curve down and in. Then a curve for the foot. Continue the body, and then the other foot like this. Then one more line for the body, stopping here. Now let's hop over to the right side and let's draw a curve down and in. And then let's curve it over and back up for the tail. Next, on the right side of the body, let's draw a curve on the side. And then curves on the tail for the stripes. And that's it for Pusheen. Let's move over to the left and draw Stormy now. On the left here, let's draw 2 bumps for the top of the head. Then the ears going up. And then an oval shape for the head. Next, let's move in and draw the face. Let's draw 2 curves for the mouth. And then the eyes with 2 black circles. Next, above the head, let's add another oval shape for the hat. and then a pom-pom on top. Next, let's draw the bow underneath the head. We'll start with a small curve, and then a curve underneath on the left and on the right. And then add a small line inside each side. Now let's draw the sides of the bow with lines down and curve it in. And the same on the right. Next, let's draw the body. On the right side, let's draw 4 bumps down. Then 2 curves for the feet. A line in between and over on the left. Now for the left side of the body, let's draw 3 bumps down. And now let's add the tail with bumps going all the way around like this. And that's it for Pusheen and Stormy. Now let's add the background. We'll start by drawing the ground by drawing a curved line on the left and on the bottom right side. Next, let's add the trees behind them. On the left side of Stormy's hat, let's draw a curve out and then one more curve down. Then 2 curves in between the 2 cats here. And then hop to the right and one more curve next to Pusheen's head. This will be the snow on the middle tree. Next, let's hop back over to the left side and let's draw a curve out and down. Then curve it up and back down to the ground. Now hop to the right and let's add a curve here and the second part of the tree closer to the ground. Now let's move up and draw the next section of the tree. Let's start in the middle and let's draw a curve here. Then a curve out on both sides. And now underneath, 2 curves to close off this piece of snow behind the cat's hats. Now underneath the snow on the left side, let's draw a curve down and then an angle down to the other piece of snow. And the same thing on the right, let's add a curve down like this. Now let's hop up and let's draw 2 angled lines. Then let's curve it out and back up on both sides. Now at the top, let's add 3 bumps. And then a curved V shape at the top to close off the top of the tree. And that's it for the first tree. Now let's move over and draw 2 smaller ones on the sides. Let's start on the left side here and we're going to draw the top of the tree with an angled line up and down. And then 3 bumps underneath. Now let's do the same thing on the right side. Now let's hop back to the left and let's draw the curve down and in. Then 2 more larger ones underneath. And then 1 more at the bottom near the ground. Now let's do the same thing on the right tree. And lastly, all it's missing are the snowflakes, but I'm going to add these later when I do the coloring. And that's it for this cute Pusheen snow globe. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!